Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to log into Coinbase website step by step. The first and foremost thing that you must do is open up Google Chrome or a browser of your choice, and then in the search bar you can simply type in Coinbase and then hit go or enter on your keyboard. Tap on the first link and then hit sign up at the middle of the screen. You must accept the cookies. Here you must enter your email address. I'm going to be entering my email address. Hit continue. You can also try signing up with Google or Apple. After that, you must head over to your Gmail account, refresh your Gmail, tap on the link sent by Coinbase, long press on the code, hit copy, head back over to Coinbase, long press, and then paste the code. Long press, and then paste the code. After that, you'll have to set up a password for yourself and then hit continue to create your account, after which you'll be able to log into your Coinbase account. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.